YouTube, welcome to the shop. Got another Hacker box unboxing. This is another old box that I have acquired. It's the, let's see, it's box 0022 BBC Microbit. As I've said in the last old box, and of course if you've seen any of the other ones that are from the white box series, they came with these little collector cards, and they usually have the pin layout if there's any boards or anything, or modules or anything. And there's quite a few modules in this one, which is really nice. Wi-Fi module, 3.3 voltage regulator, USB breakout board, and an OLED, which is really sweet. I didn't even know the BBC made single boarded computers and stuff until I got this. This is kind of cool though. But this one isn't as butchered up as the S21 was in the last videos, so you have to forgive me on that. Like I said, I already these three boxes, I didn't really think I was gonna do an unboxing, but I decided to go ahead and do it. Cool thing about this is, like I said, I didn't butcher this one up quite as bad. And so let's get to it. We've got some alligator jumpers. Can't have too many of those, can we? Probably. And more DuPont jumpers. Let's see here. I thought there was more jumpers in there. Even more jumpers. That's male to female and female, or male to male and female to male. So two kinds. This is kind of cool. It comes in this little, like, I don't know, it's an envelope, basically. It's pretty sweet. And this is the actual microbit, which is really interesting. It's double-sided, so there's stuff on both sides. But this thing, I mean, I don't really have anything, I guess, for comparison-wise. I mean, it's fairly small. But I don't know if you can read all that, but I mean, it has a compass, a accelerometer. Let's see, can't quite read that. USB. Looks like Bluetooth antenna, reset, battery, and flip it over. It's got some buttons on it. But those are little LEDs, and there's little games and stuff you can play. These contacts right here, you see 0, 1, 2, 3, or 3 volt and ground. That's what this here pinout is for. And the cool thing, do I have anything close by? I might. Let's see if I can get it to come off. Oh, come on. These little holes, not to say you'd probably do it, but they're actually banana plug compatible. Isn't that cool? So you can just plug right into it. But there's more. One of the other cool things that's in this thing is there's this breakout board. And when you get the breakout board, these you'll have to solder all these in. That's lots and lots of little pins there that you'll might have to touch up a couple actually. Need to clean that too. Anyways, but your little BBC board thing just slides right in there if I do it right, just like that. And then you could just plug right in. That's cool. I really think that's neat. Actually, I put that upside down, didn't I? There we go. So there's that. Move that over there. Put that right there. Sticky right here, maybe? I don't know. Oh, I guess we're going to this stuff now. So you get a AA battery pack to power your microbit. Knocking on the Only thing I need a pair of scissors. This is the OLED, I do believe. Yeah, that's OLED. Decent size one too. I've got crud on mine. I don't like it when I've got crud on my boards. So I keep hitting that damn thing with my freaking head. What we got here? I think this is the 3.3 volt. Yeah, that's the 3.3 volt voltage regulator. I forgot this came with the little discover how to make cool code corrections. Nice little instruction manual and stuff to get you started. It's pretty cool. Lots of neat little things you can do that. Safety guide, just in case you need a safety guide. And here's pretty much everything else. It's on. You get a little tiny micro bed board. So little tiny USB breakout board, and then of course the ESP module. And there's also this is a LED what is it called, 6 LED indicator module. So yeah, it's actually, you get quite a bit of stuff in this one. I like it. I like it. So I'm gonna put that back, and yeah, I think that's it. Alright, thanks for watching, guys and gals.